Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are diving into an incredibly powerful utility for security researchers, ethical hackers, and pen testers. We are talking about the ultimate all-in-one hacking tool framework. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of individual tools you need to install, configure, and maintain on your Linux distribution, this video is exactly what you need. This framework acts as a centralized hub, giving you access to hundreds of essential security tools right from a single organized menu. Before we get into the installation and the massive list of features, I want to emphasize that this video is strictly for educational purposes. All these tools must be used in an ethical way with proper authorization to secure systems and networks. When you are conducting a penetration test or a security audit, time is your most valuable asset. Searching for GitHub repositories, dealing with dependency issues, and manually installing every single tool can drain your productivity. This all-in-one hacking tool completely streamlines that process. It categorizes everything you could possibly need into 20 distinct sections, covering the entire lifecycle of a penetration test. To give you an idea of the sheer scale of this framework, let us look at the 20 categories it provides. We start with anonymously hiding, which has 2 dedicated tools to keep your traffic secure. Then we move into the reconnaissance phase with information gathering, boasting 26 different tools. For brute forcing and dictionary attacks, there is a word list generator category with 7 tools. Wireless attacks feature 13 tools, while SQL injection has 7. For social engineering, the phishing attack section includes 17 tools. The web attack category is massive, with 20 specialized tools. Once you gain initial access, the post-exploitation category offers 10 robust tools. For incident response and analysis, forensics has 8 tools. You also get payload creation with 8 tools, 4 exploit frameworks, 5 reverse engineering tools, and 5 DDoS attack tools for stress testing. There's a remote administrator tool section, 9 XSS attack tools, 4 steganography tools, 6 Active Directory tools, 4 cloud security tools, 3 mobile security tools, and finally, 24 extra utilities grouped under other tools. It's an absolute powerhouse. Now let's talk about getting this set up on your machine. There are essentially 2 ways to install this framework: the one-liner method, which is highly recommended, and the manual installation method. Docker installation is also available if you prefer containerized environments, but I'm not going to use that for this demonstration. We want this running natively for maximum performance and integration with our system. I'm using the recommended one-liner approach. It's fast, efficient, and handles the heavy lifting for you. You simply open your terminal and paste the following command: curl-ssl https://raw.github-content.com/z4nzu/hackingtool/master/install.sh and pipe that into sudo bash. Once you hit enter on that command, the installation script kicks off. It starts by updating your package lists and checking for necessary dependencies. You'll see it reaching out to the repository and pulling down the required files to build the menu interface. Depending on your internet speed and your system specifications, this process is generally quite smooth. The script is designed to handle the configuration of the Python environment and ensure that the interactive menu works flawlessly. It's setting up the directory structures and linking the executables so that you can launch the framework simply by typing hacking tool in your terminal anywhere on your system. It's finishing up the last few configuration steps, setting the correct permissions, and there we go. The installation is complete and the tool is ready to launch. With the framework installed, let's explore some of the standout tools included in these categories. In the post-exploitation category, you have access to some incredible software. You'll find Chrome Keylogger, Poundcat-CS, Sliver, and Havoc. It also includes the highly essential PS-NG suite, meaning you have LinPs and WinPs right at your fingertips for privilege escalation routing. For pivoting, it includes Ligolo-NG and Chisel, along with Evil WRM for Windows remote management and the Mythic command and control framework. For forensics, this tool doesn't disappoint. It packs industry-standard tools like Autopsy and Wireshark for deep packet and file system analysis. You also get Bulk Extractor, GuiMajor, Toolsly, Volatility 3 for memory forensics, BinWalk for analyzing binary images, and PySpy to monitor Linux processes without root permissions. When it comes to payload creation, you're fully covered with the Fat Rat, Brutal, Stitch, MSF Venom Payload Creator, Venom, SpyCam, MobDroid, and Enigma. If you need an exploit framework, you can easily access Routersploit, WebSploit, Commix, and Web2Attack. For malware analysis and figuring out how things work under the hood, the reverse engineering tools category is fantastic. It includes AndroGuard and APK to Gold for Android apps, JAD-X, the powerful Ghidra reverse engineering framework, and Radar 2. If you're tasked with testing network resilience, the DDoS attack tool section includes DDoS Script, Slow Loris, Asynchrony, UFONet, and GoldenEye. For remote administration, PyShell is included. Web application testers will love the XSS attack tools. This section is loaded with DalFox, XSS Payload Generator, Extended XSS Searcher, XSS Freak, XSpear, XSCon, XAN XSS, XS Strike, and RVON. If you're dealing with hidden data, the steganography section provides SteganoHide, SteganoCracker, and Whitespace. One of the most critical areas in modern pen testing is corporate networks, and the Active Directory tools section is built exactly for that. You have immediate access to BloodHound for mapping attack paths, NetExec, which was formerly CrackMapExec, Impacket for network protocols, Responder for poisoning attacks, CertPy for Active Directory certificate services, and Kerberoot for Kerberos attacks. Cloud environments are also covered. The Cloud Security Tools category brings you Prowler, ScoutSuit, Pacu, and Trivy, allowing you to audit AWS, Azure, and GCP environments effectively. For smartphone applications, the Mobile Security Tools section includes MobSF, Frida for dynamic instrumentation, and Objection. Finally, the Other Tools category is a treasure trove of miscellaneous utilities. It includes tools for social media brute forcing and attacks, Facebook-specific attacks, application checkers, and various Android hacking tools like Keydroid, MySMS, Lockfish, DroidCam or Wishfish, and EvilApp. It even includes tools for IDN homograph attacks, Evil URL, and Knockmail for email verification. For cryptography, there is Hashbuster. If you're auditing wireless networks, you can use Wi-Fi Jammer-NG and Kawaii DAuthor for deauthentication attacks. For open source intelligence, or OSINT, the social media finder tools let you search by facial recognition or username, utilizing scripts like Sherlock and SocialScan. It even includes payload injectors like DebInject and Pixload, web crawlers like GoSpider, and MISC tools like the terminal multiplexer Tilix and Crevo. As you can see, the sheer volume of utilities packed into this single framework is staggering. It eliminates the friction of setting up a penetration testing environment from scratch. Instead of spending hours hunting down dependencies for BloodHound or trying to remember the clone URL for LinPeas, you have a beautifully organized, interactive terminal menu that handles it all for you. This allows you to focus on what actually matters: the methodology, the analysis, and the security assessment itself. Whether you're diving into Active Directory exploitation, analyzing a suspicious binary in Ghidra, testing a web application for cross-site scripting, or conducting a full-scale cloud security audit with Prowler, this framework ensures your toolkit is always ready, updated, and accessible. It's an absolute must-have for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Just remember, the power of these tools comes with the responsibility to use them ethically and legally. Always ensure you have explicit, written permission before testing any system or network. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to utilize these tools to make the digital world a safer place. And I'll see you in the next one.